It's quiz time now. The scores that you get in the first attempt of this quiz will be the final scores. But you can attempt this assessment multiple times just for your practice. But first, let us revise this topic to find out how much you have learned.
आज बीएमसी कॉलेज का एनुअल डे यानी वार्षिक दिवस है। हिना, कुदरत, दलजीत और मनोज अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज में भाग ले रहे हैं। उनके साथ हम सीखेंगे कि अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को मैनेज करना क्यों जरूरी है। जीवन में कई बार हमें दूसरों के साथ मिलकर काम करना पड़ता है और इसके लिए हमें उनकी बात सुनना, उनके साथ शेयर करना और उनके साथ समझौता करना पड़ता है। जब हम एक साथ काम करते हैं तो हर व्यक्ति की ताकत आपस में जुड़ जाती है। यह पूरी टीम को स्ट्रांग बनाता है। अक्सर ऐसी परिस्थितियां आती हैं जब हमारे विचार एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं मिलते। ऐसी समस्याओं को हल करने के लिए हमें एक दूसरे की सोच का सम्मान करने और समझने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। अगर हम सही व्यवहार करते हैं तो हम अपने आसपास के लोगों का विश्वास जीत सकते हैं। यह एक दूसरे में अपनापन लाता है। अच्छे रिश्ते बनाकर हम सभी खुशहाल जीवन बिता सकते हैं।
Do you still want to continue the assessment? The scores that you get in your first attempt will be the final scores. So, make sure you've seen all the lessons before you start. If you are ready, click on the next button. If you want to revise the course, click on the exit button.
This quiz has 4 sections. You can do them in any order. After finishing each section, review the answers for it. For each section, you will be scored out of 5 stars. All the best.
Remember to finish all the 4 sections of the quiz to get the correct score.
Click on any number to get started. Choose the correct statement. Cooperation cannot help us in making better relations. Cooperation can help us make better relationships at home, at work, and all over the world. Cooperation can only help us make better relationships at work. The correct statement is: cooperation can help us make better relationships at home, at work, and all over the world. It can be difficult to understand other perspectives, but we should still try. It is not possible to understand other perspectives. We should not try. There is no need to understand other perspectives. The correct statement is: it can be difficult to understand other perspectives, but we should still try. Raju has joined a new job. He wants to make good relationships. What should he do in the following situations? Raju has an idea, but his colleague has another idea. He should fight with his colleague. He should work with his colleague and create a better idea together. Raju should work with his colleague and create a better idea together. Raju's colleague is very worried before a presentation. He should try to understand her and talk to her. He should laugh at her. Raju should try to understand her and talk to her. Raju's colleague trusts him and shares a secret with him. He should tell others about it. He should not share it with anyone else. Raju should not share it with anyone else. Raju does a lot of work for a project, but the project gets cancelled. He should try to use his work in some other way. He should say bad things about his boss. Raju should try to use his work in some other way. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blank. When we try to feel how someone else is feeling, it is called dash, empathy or cooperation. The correct answer is empathy. If we are flexible, we will react dash even when something goes wrong, negatively or positively. The correct answer is positively. If we try to do the dash thing, people will be able to trust us. Wrong or right? The correct answer is right. Cooperation is important when we work dash people with or without. The correct answer is with. Give a thumbs up or thumbs down to the following statements. Thumbs up means you agree. Thumbs down means you disagree. If something does not happen according to our plan, we should fight with others. If something does not happen according to us, we should try to find a solution. Something that is right for one person can be wrong for someone else. This statement is right. To understand others' feelings, we should ask them questions. This statement is right. Congratulations! You are done with this course. Move to the next one now. You can come back to this course anytime you want.